Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host, and it is just past 6 Central Time here, and I am ready to pick the winner of the Grayscale giveaway. So I had run this starting on July 20th, and I had said in this video that I was going to pick a winner today, August 5th. So we're about to do that. So I have copied this video's URL right here into the place for the video URL, right? I filtered out duplicate users, just one entry per person. I filtered comments based on a specific text. When I was describing the terms and conditions of the giveaway, I said that you needed to use the word silly in the comment. I have excluded myself because I do know that I commented back to some of you guys, and I performed this very complicated math problem to prove that I'm human. So now I'm going to get YouTube comments and we're going to find out how many people entered. Wow, 469 there. That's a lot of people. That might be the most that I've had. I think it was very close last time though. All right, so I am going to now click this start button, and when I do, a winner will pop up on the screen. Vicky's Crafty Things. So Vicky's Crafty Things said, "Beautiful choices, silly as it may be, the color palette is right up my alley. I love the darker sparkly yarns. Thank you for the generous giveaway." Congratulations, Vicky's Crafty Things. You are so welcome for this giveaway. And just so you know, everybody who is watching this, I will have many more giveaways in the future, including another one this month. And I have one up still right now, so make sure to find that. But first, I want you to congratulate Vicky for winning. And Vicky, what I need from you is for you to send me an email with your mailing address, or just a mailing address where you can receive a package. And you can get my email address by looking into the description of this video or by checking the pinned comment to this video. My email address is nichecraftwithkassi@gmail.com, but you might want to just double check the spelling to make sure you get it correct. And once you send me that message, I'll go ahead and respond back to you and tell you when I'm going to mail that out to you. I can do it as soon as tomorrow if you send it to me tonight. So that said, thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end, for being great subscribers, and just know that there's going to be a lot more giveaways coming up later. I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.